On 23rd August 2025, history echoed inside the iconic Indian Museum, Ashutosh Birth Centenary Hall in Kolkata. As regional rural banks mark their golden jubilee year, 50 years of service to rural India, the celebration was organized jointly by the coordinating bodies of West Bengal Gramin Bank employees, officers and retired staff association. The day brought together leaders, employees, thinkers, and cultural representatives, all united by the shared cause of strengthening India's rural banking and economy. The program began with the traditional lighting of the lamp by S. Venkateshwar Reddy, Secretary General of All India Regional Rural Bank Employees Association. In his inaugural speech, he traced the history of the association, its struggles, and its pivotal contributions to the rural economy over the past 5 decades. Abdul Saeed Khan, General Secretary of National Federation of Retired Regional Rural Bank Staff, also addressed the gathering. His words paid homage to the relentless efforts of RBA, especially the struggles led by legendary leader Dada Mukherjee. A major highlight of the day was a thought-provoking seminar on the present political and economic scenario in India and its impact on the rural economy after RRB reorganization. The keynote speaker, eminent economist Dr. Sarthak Roy Chaudhary, delivered an analytical and inspiring lecture. His words left the audience engaged and satisfied. A pictorial slideshow walked the audience through the 50-year journey of regional rural banks, highlighting their service to rural communities. Marking the occasion, a commemorative book was unveiled, narrating the rich history of RRBs and documenting RBA's journey, struggles, and achievements across 5 decades. Adding color to the celebration, the Royal Chhaw Academy of Purulia presented a mesmerizing Chhaw dance performance. The traditional folk art form, blending martial grace with storytelling, reflected the deep bond between culture and rural livelihood in Bengal. The Golden Jubilee of RRBs in Kolkata was not just a celebration, it was a heartfelt reminder of the struggles, achievements, and aspirations of India's rural banking movement. The event blended history and culture and set a stage for the future of RRBs in strengthening rural India's economy and society.
Share this video and stay tuned on Kanal for exclusive coverage of the RRB and everything you need to know.